Well, thank you. The CDC says men are 33% less likely than women to go to the doctor. And a new health clinic wants to break the stigma and get men into the doctor's office for appointments. So we have Cristi Harris with us. She is the clinical director of Gameday Men's Health Clinic. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Tell me about this clinic. How many are around the valley?
There are 12 locations around the valley, so you can't throw a stone without hitting one of us.
Where do we find you?
I'm in the North Scottsdale location up near Cary Creek and Carefree.
What is it about the stigma for men being hesitant to go to the doctor?
Not exactly sure, but I do know I'm a mom of 3 boys, and I've got a husband, and if I'm not the one taking them, they don't go. Perfect example, my grown son, I flew 2,000 miles to Ohio to take him to the doctor because he was like, I don't know what to say. So, so we're just trying to make a really inviting place where men feel comfortable. We try and make it very easy. You're in, you're out, you get your results. We all have on-site labs, so your test results are ready in minutes.
So what kind of testing is offered there and screenings?
Our initial consultation includes testosterone testing and PSA testing, which is an indicator for prostate cancer, so we're big advocates of get tested. And those are the 2 tests that we run on site. So again, those test results are ready in minutes. Everything else we'll send out to a larger lab to do the more in detailed labs if people want to move forward.
Is this a one-stop shop doctor's office?
Yes, we do a lot of things. We can help with weight management, obviously the testosterone, energy levels, helps with getting your sleep back on track. We also help with muscle recovery, and we do a lot of the peptides and things like that. So just trying to make people feel better.
Yeah. I know that you have a personal story about your husband as well.
Yes, when we open the clinic, part of what you have to do is get, you have to have, I think about 20-25 men come in to get your lab certified, get everything tested. And so I told my husband, my boys, and all their friends, I'm okay, I need 25 guys' blood. Get in here. They all came in. Everyone else's came back where we thought they would be in the right range. My husband's PSA level was very, very high. We got him into urology the next morning. It turned out he did have stage 1 prostate cancer. Because we caught it early, he's now almost 2 years cancer-free.
Wonderful.
Yeah, because there's no symptoms or signs of prostate cancer, so really this simple free blood test, it saves lives.
What should men be prioritizing in the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, etc.?
Just get in the habit of going to the doctor.
Your annual,
just go in, get your levels checked, see where you're at, and if your levels are fine, perfect, come back next year. We'll test you again for free, see where you're at, and if you do need us, great, and if you don't, at least you've got that baseline.
Yeah, and you said there's lots of televisions around, so people can watch their sports.
Yep, all the TVs have sports. We also have the radio going. It's supposed to be a really just relaxed environment.
Casual, inviting.
Yes, exactly.
It doesn't have to be the worst thing in the world to go to the doctor. In fact, you're doing a favor for all those people who love you.
Yes, exactly.
Cristi, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.